Today we're going to unbox and review the autonomous cable management tray. I have a mess under here now on my desk. Looks perfect, but under the surface is madness. Coming up. Hey, what's up guys? This is Herve from Herve's World, showing you that IT means I try. So if you're new to the channel, thank you very much. Please subscribe. So on this channel we do unboxings, desktop support, life hacks, actual hacking, and tech reviews and unboxing of great products just like this one. So anything you see in this episode, you'll find right on the bottom right over here, right there. So let's go check out and unbox the autonomous cable management tray to help me with the mess that I have going on under here. Now, looks great up top, but on the bottom is chaos, guys, and I'm gonna show you how to fix it. Let's go check it out. Hey guys, so welcome to my creation station. This is where I edit all my videos. This is where I do all my research to show you guys, but looks kind of neat. Everything on top is great, but something here that bothers the heck out of me. Now, do you see it? Do you see the problem? Look a little closer. Let's focus up right over here. Now, do you see all of this mess? Is what I'm trying to eliminate in today's episode. Now the problem is the IKEA Signum rack doesn't adequately hide all of my cabling. This is chaos for me. I hate coming here. I know it's great on top, everything's organized, but on the bottom it's hiding like spaghetti wire right here. Did you guys see that? See that right there? I'm trying to fix that in today's episode. So let's go check it out. Let's let the unboxing begin. Okay, now this box, a very long box. Now Autonomous is a great company. They have affordable products such as chairs and sit-stand desks. You guys should check them out. Autonomous.ai. Now, I also did a visit to their headquarters, which I'll put a video link right over here, right up there. Check them out. Great people over there. Great products. Okay, now I bought this cable management stand for 19 bucks. So we've got some cabling. Instructions. More styrofoam. And this is what we're looking for. Cable management tray. Now, I don't know, what do you guys think? You think it'll be able to grab all the stuff that I have under there? Now what's great is this is an autonomous stand, which means that it should fit perfect for the desk. Okay, anything else in the box? Nothing else in the box. So have a look at this beautiful thing. 19 bucks. So all of my cabling should fit right nice over here. Here's the other side. Now for 19 bucks, now everybody gravitates towards the Signum rack, but you want to step it up. You don't want to see any cables exposed, and I think that this is going to do quite nicely. So let's grab our trusty tool. We're going under the table, my friends. We're going under the table. Let's go check it out. Okay guys, so now before I even start putting this thing in, I gotta take the Signum rack down with all of the cabling and hope that I don't unplug anything. But this gives me an opportunity to neaten up a little bit. I think that the Signum rack, which was good for a while, it's gonna come out. All right, back in a sec. Let me get some tools. Okay, here we go with the tear down. So this is gonna be fun. First, we need to take off the IKEA screw. Okay, one side down. Let's pop this. Let's grab the other side. Now, IKEA Signum racks are really cheap. They're like 10 bucks. But this autonomous cable management tray is about 19 bucks. Okay, now ever so gently. All right, let's try this again. Okay, that's one. Now let's grab our cables and see if they fit. Back in a sec. Okay guys, so what do you guys think? Thus far, it's a major improvement. Now I'm just gonna tame those wires right over here, just with some cable ties. But so here's the thing, you could either go out and buy the Signum rack for 10 bucks, or you can buy this autonomous cable management tray for $19. It's a more elegant solution. It's very sturdy. It's not gonna bend, and you see no wires over here. So I highly recommend you guys getting the autonomous Signum rack. I'll put a link to the description. Also, you can check out this autonomous headquarter visit that I did. They let me go up and do an interview. So far, really pleased. You see no cabling over here, right here. I'm just gonna cable these with the cable tie, and we'll be back in a minute to show you guys the finished results. So guys, tell me, what do you think? Big difference. No more cables, except to one side. But the cable management tray really makes a big difference. Look at that. Beautiful thing. Catch you guys in the next one. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll give you some more tips and tricks.